A proposition has been put forward by the Jamaica Racing Commission and the Portmore Municipal Council to help grooms with affordable housing solution. Denise Walters tells us more.
The JRC is pitching a proposal to get the grooms low-income houses through the National Housing Trust. Chairman of the Commission, Clovis Metcalf, says the plan is in its embryonic stages.
We have to sit down and talk about that. We have to engage all the parties, the housing trusts, land developers. This one is not an easy fix, so this will take a lot of collaboration. I had a discussion with the mayor. Really what we want to do is just start. If you have a little one-bedroom or a studio, you start there. That is much better than many of the living conditions that the grooms are going through today.
The mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, is offering the municipality's help should the plan get off the ground. Thomas says there's land located in the Gregory Park area that the Housing Agency of Jamaica has responsibility for.
With the Racing Commission and the National Housing Trust, they can have discussion with HAJ in regard to develop these lands, and if they get the go-ahead, then of course the Portmore City Municipality will look at the fee and give a reduction. Both men say the grooms are the most crucial as well as the most vulnerable stakeholder group in the industry. They play a very important role, and of course they have touched a lot of lives within the municipality. It's a large industry, and we think that they should be beneficial.
It's very difficult for them to survive under those conditions. And because of this, the Racing Commission, although we are regulators, we think there's a need to do whatever assistance we can, financially or medical, whatever we can do from where we sit. The grooms are welcoming the move, but they say some trainers are not paying over statutory deductions, and there's also the issue of the handing over of pay slips.
Get some pay slip that we can require more assessment. When you live in a house such as paying a mortgage and rent, the salary are really low, but we are trying to get there.
If we have a pay slip, because this is not about just wages alone. We need a pay slip to know. That's when we go to courts and when we go to borrow a loan and anything, and can say, where's your pay slip? We don't have to look like we're not, but we have a big worker in this country.
The men were speaking at a 2-day Grooms and Farriers seminar last month. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.